and let the adventure begin. Being in the outdoors, even for just a short period, can improve your mood and reduce stress. If you are active during your nature vacation, you likely will have an endorphin rush, which helps to relieve stress even further. Nature travel offers the thrill of discovering something new, or at the very least, something only a fraction of people have seen in person. Feel the delight of taking in scenic views from a crescent mountain top while a dew silently wanders below with her fawn. Nature is very beautiful. There is something special about the opportunity to experience rare moments of nature in the flesh. Perhaps the captivating presence of nature stems from the fact that it is alive, powerful, and ever changing. There is something special about embarking on an adventure into the unknown and really experiencing the world. You could kind of see it as essential soul food. There is a reason why there is a smile on everyone's face after they have come back from an adventure like us, because we are happier for it as we embark among some of the most stunning sceneries in the world. Ultimately, we tend to be drawn and attracted to things that are beneficial to our survival, which is one of the reasons why trees and other natural elements can help lift our moods. And let's continue to see and to feel the beauty of nature.
Where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Hey guys! So today we're in Parrot Paradise and it's my first time, and I feel so happy for today because this place is so amazing, this place is so beautiful, it's nice, anything. You can describe everything because this is so great. I love the place. We're just chilling here. So welcome to the vlog. Yeah. This place is so amazing. Hello, Parrot. Hello.
Can you talk? No?
Hi guys. So are still talking. Yeah.
And this is where you see where's your score.
Yeah.
And you need to step right here.
Have you been tried that one, the game?
I didn't try that yet, but also I know this game, so let's show you around. Come on.
Hi guys, so Parrot Paradise is a good place to unwind and it's overlooking view. So here's the view. I'll show you guys. What a wonderful place.
Ayun na, no, nito.
So here guys, while we're waiting for the food, so like
Okay, never mind.
relaxing for a while.
Feel me free, be away, big breath that you can't fake. Once you begun, press my face to the back, all the pillars that stack, and hold up the sun. And hold up the sun.
So I'll show you the place guys, and here is Louise vlogging also. This one, she's so beautiful. She's vlogging also. Just don't forget to like and subscribe her channel.